Now, how can you share images and videos from your iPhone to the Android cloud version? So it kind of depends on what exactly you mean. The one which is widely used on the Android as the main cloud is the Google Drive. So if you want to upload your photos from the iPhone to the Google Drive, what you can do is to open up the Photos app and use the select button to select the clips and videos, including photos as well, which you want to upload there. And just click on the share button and you're going to be able to see all of the ways how you can share it. So just scroll through it and use any of these services available right here. In my case, since I have the Google Drive app downloaded on my phone, I can just click on the Drive and literally just upload it there from within the Photos app. So, and in there at the bottom, I can also pick where exactly I want to save it. So I can pick the account as well as the folders. So I can even organize it very nicely. If you do not see the drive right there, ensure that it is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. So you can get it from the App Store. Just open up the App Store, literally just download Google Drive, and you're going to be able to sign in with your Google account and then access it the same way as you can see in my video from within the Photos app. So this is not officially the Android cloud, but it is like very deeply integrated into Android devices because it's obviously from Google, so it is going to work there very nicely. Outside of that, you might also be interested in Google Photos, which is like an iCloud alternative on the Android platform. And this also works on the iPhone. You can just get it the same way from the App Store and upload your photos there directly. So it works very seamlessly on these like platforms. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this and upload the video files right there. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future content.